kasama ko sa Richard. First time namin na magkasama sa isang in the 90s. You know, he had his own world, and I had my own, you know. Tapos ngayon, nakakatuwa lang na hindi pag-ikot ng mundo talaga. Sa dulo nagkasama rin kami. Together. Para pinagritan, payat kayo uy. So ito kami, masaya kami, and we were able to do the Century. Thank you very much.
No, it was fun for me in Aga. Paano kasi, it was really a challenge.
Yeah.
You know, when we started this, I don't know if you have photos when we started, medyo we were on the bigger side. You know? But it was really a challenge that was given to us by Century. So si Aga had to lose weight, ako rin I had to lose weight. And it was not easy, but it was fun.
Masaya siya. Mawawala ka ng tanong.
Yes, go on. I'm just like listening. Thank you.
Alam niyo naman siguro lahat, in the 90s, 2000, 2010, 2015, yung mga katawan namin. And then, that was history, no? And then, ako, umabot ako ng 260 pounds sa kaya. And I'm 5'8", 5'9", 5'10", When I was younger, I was taller. For some strange reason, kaya nung sukat ako, 5'8", siguro yung weight na dinala ko for how many years, binabahin ko yung height ko. So, gano'n, 260 pounds ang inabot ko. So, sa amin napakalaking bagay na nangyayari na ito. So, really, Century, thank you very much for challenging us. And thank you for having us here. Maraming salamat. And really, I'm also the happiest to work with a good friend of mine, Mr. Richard Gomez.
So is that what motivated you guys to like jump to the challenge? Like knowing that the two of you would be together?
It was fun kasi nag-usap kami ni Aga. The last project we did together, when we were younger, may ginawa tayong movie before, yung Sarigan.
Sarigan, 80s yun, man.
80s yun.
Wala, mga lost days natin. Kasi may prime kami, 90s talaga yung prime namin. Yung prime namin, naghiwalay na kami yan eh. Parang gano'n na sa oray na may Richard Gomez kaya, pero ang tall, dark, and handsome. Yan, di ba? Okay. Ako. Yun na.
Two different brands.
Diba na, two different brands.
Yes, two different brands of handsome.
And we're not together in one brand.
Yon, don't you love that? So let's talk a little bit about your fitness motivations. What motivated you guys to keep going? Because how long was that, like 10 months?
About almost 10
About
months,
almost 10 months.
You know what was difficult was starting it.
Oh, yes.
No, we're not teenagers anymore. So hindi na kami teenagers. No, we're a little older than teenagers. So when the challenge came in, sabi namin, kaya ba natin to? And then if you keep on watching IG, if you keep on watching informations, the older you get, the more fit you have to be.
Yes.
Correct?
That's true.
Yes.
That's
Eating the
absolutely
right
true.
food, doing the proper exercises, keeping an active lifestyle is very important to longevity. Kasi yun naman yung gusto namin ni Aga eh. Diba? Gusto namin makita pa natin yung... Gusto ko makita natin.
That's right. That's what they say, right? Like, will you... Like, I saw a quote online that said, you will die for the people that you love, right? But will you live for them?
Oh, you have to.
Right? Will you live for them?
Siguro sa lahat, madami mga ka-relate ito na mga overweight or struggling sa mga ganyan. It was difficult. All these years, I was always in hiding. I would have been more busier if not for my weight. I hit 260, which ang dapat kong weight is 170. So now I'm down to 200. So I have 30 more to go. Ganda sana ito. Kung labas natin din, ang hugad tayo. Diba? Pero sabi namin, let's see that for next year. Kaya ba about it, and then, mahirap magtago sa buhay dahil sa katawan natin. Insecurities. Marami pa rin itong mahilig ng catch shape sa atin, you know, but, well, we deserve it. Binabayaan natin ang katawan natin, but I'm just happy that we're here now. We're halfway there. Sabi ng Gomes, di ba? We're getting there.
We're getting
there. We're getting there.
So more than anything, Aga, we've always been active.
Yes.
No?
I was just about to ask, actually.
Aga's very
Yes.
much into cycling. He bikes a lot. I play a lot of badminton. I still do my fencing thing. Except that this was really a challenge to lose more weight. Kasi I reached the point na, yun na yung mga 36 ko na pantalon, pinamili ko na eh. Oo.
Get them back.
Because lumaki na ako eh. Dito 38, sabi ko 38, bigat na ito. And then reach a point na, tumitingin na ako 30 and 40.
Kapag ko yung Gomes?
40 ako! Teka, 40. Buti lang dumating yung century. Kasi today, 34 sinusuot ko eh.
Diba? Hindi eh.
May proof yan ha. You want to check it out?
Huwag mo na pa-check. Sasabihin ko pa naman, 30 yung suot ko.
So super bad talaga, diba? What a challenge it
At ano
was.
ka, yung super bad pa na, happens every 3 years ba yan? Every 2. Interesting.
Ano, next year.
Next year.
Next year ba yan?
And then,
Next year ba? Wow! Wait, I lost 50 pounds. What's another 52 years?
Yun.
Super bad. Tumatay yung balahin mo.
No, you'll gain it again, pero in muscle naman.
Oh yes! Hindi! Super bad ka. Lalabas ka na yung loko. Yung dati namin katawan. Ganun. Tumahin ko. Sana ko kung tumatawa yung serious ko. Natapasig ka.
Oh yeah, because
Katawan ni grabe oh.
you know.
once a super bad, forever a super bad.
Yeah.
Yes. Actually, that's where I first met the both of you. At the
Good,
Super
yeah.
Bods judging table.
Super dad muna kami ngayon. Super dad.
Still super dads then. So speaking of that, how have your families responded to your new fitness journey?
Oh, you know my wife, when she saw me lost weight, sabi niya, please don't get weight again. Sabi niya, alam mo, gwapo ka. Mas gwapo ka ngayon. Kulang pa yan. Hindi pa lumalabas yung tulay ko, gwapuhan ko na. Kaya iba, a little more. But more than looking good, it's really feeling better. Diba? Feeling better, feeling healthier, stronger. Yeah. Yun na, I'm almost 50. Diba?
Ilan ka?
I'm almost there.
Almost 50. 44 ako.
No, but really, I'm over 50. I'm over 50. But one thing I realized that at this age, you really have to work out more.
Yes.
You have to get your muscles up. And again, it feels better. I feel stronger.
It does, right? So do you guys have any advice for everyone here watching us now, our friends in the media, people taking videos, they'll be posting this as well. What is your advice that helped you stay the course in your fitness journeys?
Sa akin, I think it's really just enough of that hiding, enough of those promises that, oh, next year we start doing it. Kumbaga now, parang ngayon, sinasabi, it's, pa-Christmas na, sasabihin na naman natin, alas, panalagpas siguro ng Christmas, January, I'll start again, di ba? No, just do it now. Start now.
Yeah, why wait?
Tama na yung Christmas, bibigay mo na naman lahat. Pero it's a lifestyle race. We really changed off the lifestyle. And I'm happy that my wife also was very supportive. And siya yung gentle reminder ko always na medyo nagkaroon ako ng eating disorder for a while. Talagang binge ako, binge. So minsan hanggang ngayon lumalabas pa rin yun. And she would stop me. doon, di ba? Ang sinasabi ko naman, nakita mo naman ako naman, di ba? Kung tayo ng bata pa.
Yun.
Kaya, pag nakita mo ulit siya, delikado tayo. Sabi ko, siguro yung mga asawa namin, sabi namin, gusto niyo ba talaga gumanti katawan namin?
Alam mo, yun yung sinabi ko kay Lucy. Alam mo, sabi ko sa kanya, alam mo Lucy, ang problema nito. Pag nakita mo naman, gumanda na ng katawan ka. Mamaya, baka naman may lalapit sa baka kasi selos ka. Baka naman magkakagulo mamaya